this is an interesting variation on the travel candlestick. And as we can see, Brighton buns, as we've got examples here on the shelves, are typically round, and you've got two dishes which screw in together. This design takes a travel candlestick on a step further, and in fact it's stamped patent. So as we can see here, the two dishes are hinged rather than screwed together, and the sconces are also hinged, but then they'll stand upright like that for use. So you've got two candlesticks like that, but of course it's still one piece. So you just pull them apart on the hinges like that, and you can see the pins there of the hinges which slot into the other section of the hinge on the other dish. And you've got two very smart patent candlesticks. And let's put one down and have a little bit of a closer look. So you can see, hopefully, stamped on the dish there, it says patent. You've also got a sleeve on the sconce which just comes out to help you remove any candle ends which might be stuck in there. And they're very, very nicely made. They're silver plate. If we turn over and look on the back, actually, you can see there's a little bit of rubbing to it, and you've got some of the brass coming through there. But the weight of them is really very satisfying. A good weight, and a very interesting variation on the travel candlestick. So to put them back together again, we're just going to line up the pins of the one hinge with the holes of the other, slide them together like that, and then it just shuts. And away you go. Stick it into your pocket if you want, or into your bag, and you can take them off and light up your journey. So these are probably very, very early 20th century, probably around about 1900, 1905, perhaps 1910. And a very nice, interesting variation on a Brighton bun design.